Hey everybody, it's Mike. I'm still alive. Like I said, it's been a real test for me lately. Trying to get all my workouts in and trying to do two jobs, trying to cook meals, everything, and it's not going very easy at all. The hardest part, I gotta say, probably is prepping the meals. Um, I had a couple days where it's only what, Tuesday, and I didn't have much time, so I was eating quick stuff like the I got pizza over the weekend, big stuffed pizza, and I had leftovers and I used that. But I did a portion control with it where I ate one slice then, and then a couple hours later I ate the other slice. Um, I ate the breadsticks with it. Overall, that I've just been so busy that didn't know what to do with myself too. I'm even running on low sleep, and it's about 10:16 p.m. tonight, and I started Insanity for about the first 3 minutes, and I kept yawning like crazy. I feel like my body was just tired. I'm not doing it tonight. Due to the simple fact that I feel my performance is gonna slack. Um, my body is aching. I'm tired. I feel I just need to actually just let my body rest tonight, get some good sleep, and I'm actually going to shoot for a morning workout. Um, I'm really tired of rushing stuff at night, and then I don't get to bed on time. I'm staying up half the night when I have to be at work early in the morning. So my goal is to try to start something new where I am actually going to do some Insanity workouts in the morning. So therefore, I'm not crunching at night. It's just too much for me. I would rather get my butt up at 5 o'clock in the morning or 4:45, hit Insanity with play about 5 o'clock in the morning, go till 6 o'clock, take my shower for 10 minutes, pack my lunch, whatever I need to pack of it, if it or even get up at 4:30, do Insanity by 4:45. I'm just gonna try some different tactics and so forth. It is totally a huge adjustment for me. I'm not quitting. I'm not failing. I'm just simply I need a little bit more rest. My body, I've been pushing it to the max. And today, guys, I was even guilty where I just indulged in some sweets at work, and I'm not mad at myself because I know I'm not going to give up. So I screwed up, and so I had a few things here or there. I'm not mad, and I spent a lot of time. I feel like a lot was accomplished today with 2 loads of laundry, with cooking all my food, with getting it prepared, getting it set, and meeting with my accountability buddy Jared, and reading the scriptures, doing my devotion, and I feel like I did a lot tonight, and I feel accomplished. I don't feel frustrated. I just feel that I know my own body, and I'm going to completely get some rest tonight. I have to wait for laundry for a little bit, but I need some time to just relax. I can't even make videos anymore. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to sit down, give you guys a video, give you an update. Because I've been plugging with Insanity just tonight. I'm just going to take a break, kick back in because I have to do the flip flop workouts because last week I messed up and did the wrong workouts. So I have max plyo and max interval. Or interval's going to be tomorrow morning and max plyo is Friday or Thursday. I apologize. I think, yeah, wait, tomorrow's Wednesday, Thursday, rest day, Friday. Okay, that makes sense. So, I'm not mad. I'm just going to stick with it because on Saturday morning, I can work out, get a good workout in. I just feel this is going to be it. I'm going to try this out, see how it works out. Like I said, guys, I apologize for the yawning. I just think this is going to be the best mechanism for myself. Um, I don't want you guys to be frustrated with me or just, I know you guys have probably been wondering where the heck am I, how have I been doing. Like I said, I'm pushing 66 hours a week, almost 70 hours a week, and trying to do a workout, trying to prepare meals, trying to do laundry, everything I can, and I'm learning how to balance and prioritize, take responsibility, and it's working. You have to work the kinks out and the twists and everything else. So, guys, keep up the great work. I'm gonna take some time probably within the next couple days. I want to watch some of your guys' YouTube videos if you've been posting them, and see what you guys are up to. See how Howard's doing. See how Christina's doing. Those are the only two names I can think of off the top of my head that are showing video blogs, and for their workouts and stuff. So I'm sticking with Insanity. I'm just gonna rest tonight, get my stuff done. I have a few more things to do still, and then I'm hitting the sack because I want to get a good workout in the morning. So you guys keep it real, keep it up, and I will talk to you guys later, in hopefully maybe a couple days. Have a good one.